Hey there, friends, it's Jenna. I'm going to tell you an amazing story from the Bible about a man named Balaam and his super special donkey. Balaam was a respected prophet who lived in the village of Pethor, with lots of other people who always came to him for advice. One day, the king from a region far away sent messengers to ask Balaam to come and curse his enemies. They offered him lots of shiny gold and jewels. But that night, God spoke to Balaam in a dream and said, "Don't go with them." The next day, Balaam told the messengers that he couldn't go. But then they came back with even more treasure. That night, God spoke to Balaam, and this time he said to him, "You can go, but do nothing other than what I tell you." The next morning, Balaam hopped on his trusty donkey and set off on the road. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and Balaam was feeling pretty good about himself. But something crazy happened. The donkey saw an angel blocking the path, but Balaam couldn't see it at all. The donkey swerved off the road into a field to avoid the angel. Balaam got mad and steered it back. Then the angel moved to a narrow path between two vineyards. The donkey pressed against the wall, squishing Balaam's foot.
Youch, you silly donkey!
Finally, the angel stood in a super narrow spot. The donkey just plopped down in the middle of the road. Balaam was furious. He started hitting the donkey again and again.
Come on, you stubborn mule, let's go!
Then something incredible happened. The donkey opened its mouth and said,
"Hee-haw! Why are you hitting me? Haven't I been a good donkey?"
Balaam's jaw dropped. His eyes bulged. He couldn't believe his ears.
Am I dreaming? Did my donkey just talk?
Suddenly, Balaam could see the angel too. It was big and bright and kind of scary. Balaam felt really bad. He realized that God had sent the angel and used his donkey to protect him because he was traveling on a dangerous path. Once Balaam arrived to his destination, he listened to God, and instead of cursing the king's enemies, he blessed them. So, remember kids, God can use anyone or anything to speak to us and keep us safe. Even a talking donkey. Pay attention when God speaks to you, and do not be afraid. If you enjoyed this story, please like and share. I'll see you next time for another great Bible story from Taste His Word.